Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some garlic herb mashed potatoes. So let's get right into the video. So here in my bowl I have my washed red potatoes. Since we're going to leave the skin on, you want to make sure that they're nice and clean. Now here in my pot I have my cold water. You don't want to boil the water before adding your potatoes because they will cook too fast. So you want to add them in some cold water, and then you're going to bring the water to a boil along with your red potatoes. Now I'm going to take my lid and half cover my potatoes, as you can see here. I boiled my potatoes for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're fork tender, like this. So you want to make sure that the fork can go completely through your potatoes. Now I drained the water out of my pot, and here are my cooked potatoes. So I'm going to add in my heavy cream, unsalted chicken stock, sour cream, unsalted butter, garlic paste, salt, garlic powder, basil flakes, and parsley flakes. Now that everything's in my pot, I'm going to start mashing my potatoes, as you can see here. Now that all my ingredients are mashed together, I'm going to turn on my heat to low, and I'm going to stir my potatoes until they look like this. And this is the final product. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, please make sure to leave a like And also, please make sure to subscribe so that you never miss any of my other recipes, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post. So all the exact measurements and written recipe will be in my description box. That's all for this video. Bye!